Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a branched Google form. So since we just saw the Frittata Ed puzzle, this form is going to be a branched quiz for that particular Frittata Ed puzzle. We're going to start with giving our form a title. Since this is a quiz, I'm just going to give it a simple name. Frittata quiz. I have the option of putting in a description, but I'm not going to be putting in a description just yet. My first question is going to be, what does rendering mean? And I'm going to make this a multiple choice question. I have the option to make it short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, but for branched, for this particular branch, I'm going to make it multiple choice. So I'm going to give it some choices. I'm going to be typing in some choices. It means to cook slightly. Second choice is going to be, it means to cook until no longer red. It means to cook until the bacon, the fat, is melted. It means to cook until it is falling apart. Now, before I add my branching, I have to add another section. So I just made another section, as you can see, the section 2 of 2. But before I do that, I am going to make this required. And now I'm going to go in the lower right-hand corner of my page, and I'm going to see these three dots. These three dots, click on them, and you'll see that there's a selection. You can toggle through this and select go to section based on answer. And automatically, these choices pop up. So my correct answer is the third one, so that would be like C. So if they get that correct, they're going to be going to another section. So what I'm going to do before I go on any further is I'm going to add another section. Okay, now I've got 3 sections, and that's what I need. Okay, so now I'm going to continue where I left off. So this is my correct answer. If they answer correctly, they're going to go to section 3. If they answer incorrectly, they're going to be going to section 2. Okay. Now, section 2 is where all the wrong answers are going to be going. So this is my entitled section. I'm just going to call this section 2. And I'm going to be adding first thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to add a video. So the video that I'm going to be adding is something to do with rendering. Maybe bacon. Oh, Emerald. I'm going to select his video. And I'm going to center that video. Okay. I can put in a title if I want. I'm just going to leave it untitled. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask this question again. So after they watch the video, they'll have a chance to get that question right. So the question again is, what does rendering mean? And I'm going to repeat all my choices, I think those are the same ones. It means to cook till fat is melted. And last one, it means to cook until it falls apart. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to make this into a branched page or section. So if they get it right, I want them to go on to section 3. And if they don't get it right, they're going to end up right here and have to watch the video again for a second time. So here's my section 3. And I'm going to put in a multiple choice question. What type of onions should be added to this frittata? Okay, so red onions, blue onions, yellow onions, or green onions. I'm going to go back and capitalize it yellow, just because that way they're all the same. And I'm not going to make this branched, and I'm just going to make this required. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to go to my confirmation page where that's the last page that they see when they submit, and I'm going to write them a message. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.